Miss. Okay, I am your English teacher. So we are learning the lesson, the cherry tree. Okay, we had seen introduction yesterday. Now today we will continue the lesson. So what was the story of the cherry tree? This is the story of 6-year-old boy Rakesh. What happened one day while coming from the school, he brought cherries and he come with eating the cherries. And as he went to the home, where who was present? His grandfather. Means he lived with his grandfather at the outskirts of Mussoorie, where he lived in the Mussoorie, and he shared the cherries with his grandfather. And after, when only 3 cherries left, and one he gave to his grandfather and another 2 he eat. Okay, so while eating his last cherry, he think that if the cherries are lucky. Okay, so what we had seen, he studied it. He placed the seed on the palm of his hand and studied it. Open page number 16. Okay, look at the last paragraph. He take one seed and studied it on the palm. Are cherry seeds lucky? Asked Rakesh. Rakesh asked to his grandfather if the cherry trees are lucky. Of course, then I will keep it. What did his grandfather say? Of course, everything is lucky. So Rakesh said that he will keep it. Nothing is lucky if you put it away. If you want luck, you must put it to some use. What did grandfather say? Nothing is lucky until you use it. Means जब तक हम कोई भी चीज यूज नहीं करते वो लकी कैसे हो सकती है? What can I do with a seed? Then Rakesh asked कि वो उस सीड का क्या करे फिर? Plant it. What did grandfather say? That he have to plant it. So Rakesh found a small spade and began to dig up a flower bed. Means flower bed means where he want to plant the cherry tree, cherry seed. He make a flower bed like that. Okay, see in the picture. Hey, not there, said grandfather. What did grandfather say? Ki you don't have to plant the seed there. I have sown mustard in that bed. Because grandfather sown the mustard there. Plant it in that shady corner where it won't be disturbed. So cherry tree you have to plant in corner, means no one disturb. Rakesh went to a corner of the garden where the earth was soft and yielding. Yielding means what? Giving way under pressure, means where the plant can grow easily. He did not have to dig. He pressed the seed into the soil with his thumb and it went right in. So he did not have to dig it. Okay, means वहाँ पे क्या था? Moisture means अच्छी सॉइल थी, तो वहाँ पे डिग करने की जरूरत नहीं थी, इसलिए राकेश ने क्या किया? सीड ली और उसमें डिग कर दी. Then he had his lunch and ran off to play cricket with his friend and forgot all about the cherry seed. Then he go to lunch and he go to play and he forget about the cherry tree. What he sown means वो उस चेरी के बारे में वो भूल गया. Okay. When it was winter in the hills, a cold wind blew down from the snows and went hoo-hoo in the deodar trees, and the garden was dry and bare. So next winter is come. In the evening, grandfather and Rakesh sat over a charcoal fire and grandfather told Rakesh stories. So charcoal fire means जिसे हम मराठी में शेकोटी कहते हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज चारकोल फायर पे वो बैठे थे. stories about people who turn into animal and ghosts, who lived in trees and beings that jump and stones that whipped. So in winter there were so many cold. So we used to live in home. Okay, so they live in home and grandfather told him stories. Grandfather's eyesight being rather weak, Rakesh found the newspaper very dull, especially after the stories, but grandfather wanted all the news. Because of grandfather's eyesight being weak, he can't read newspaper, so Rakesh let him read the newspaper. They knew it was spring when the wild duck flew north again to Siberia. After winter, there will be the spring season. Okay. Early in the morning when he got up to chop wood and light a fire, Rakesh saw the V-shaped formation streaming northwards and heard the call of the birds clearly through the thin mountain air. What happened then? The atmosphere will get changed and the sound of bird we can hear in that atmosphere. One morning in the garden, he bent to pick up what he thought was a small twig and found to his surprise that it was well rooted. He started at it for a moment. Then he ran to fetch grandfather. Calling grandfather, come and look, the cherry tree has come up. So one morning he went to the garden and see the cherry tree grows up, and he called his grandfather because he was surprised because he forgot about cherry tree. वो सब भूल गया था कि उसने क्या प्लांट की है, चेरी सीड प्लांट की है, वो सब भूल गया था. तो अब उसे क्या दिखा कि चेरी ट्री का क्या हो रही है, ग्रोथ हो रही है. तो उसने किसको आवाज दी, ग्रैंडफादर को, एंड देखने के लिए कहा, लुक द चेरी ट्री हैज कम अप. What cherry tree? asked grandfather, who had forgotten about it. Means grandfather also forgot about it. And he was asking that what is cherry? The seed we planted last year, look, it's come up. Rakesh went down on his haunches while grandfather bent almost double and peered down at the tiny tree. It was almost 4 inches high. So, कितना बड़ा हुआ था वो चेरी ट्री, 4 इंचेस. और दोनों भी क्या कर रहे थे, उस पेड़ को देख रहे थे, चेरी के, ग्रैंडफादर और राकेश. Yes, it is cherry tree, said grandfather. You should water it now and then. So, her grandfather told him that yes, it is cherry tree and you should what to do, water the plant. Don't drown it, said grandfather. ज्यादा पानी नहीं देना है. राकेश gave it a sprinkling and circled it with pebbles. वो क्या करता है फिर उस पे, वो प्लांट पे स्प्रिंकल करता है और उसके आजू बाजू क्या रख दिए उसने, पेबल्स. पेबल्स मीन स्मॉल स्टोन्स, छोटे छोटे खड़े. ओके, तो वो प्लांट के बाजू में उसने रख दिए टू प्रोटेक्ट इट. सो दिस इज स्टोरी अप टू नाउ. सो वी विल सी नेक्स्ट in the next video. Thank you.